Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing your phone and essential tools. Make sure your device has current OS updates and enough free space. This avoids failures during installs. Next, install a Python app that matches your platform, Termux or Pidroid for Android, Carnets or Pythonista for iOS, and grant storage and network permissions when prompted. Once done, open the app to initialize its environment and accept any runtime installs, so you can run basic scripts immediately and access files. You now configure the working environment and add packages. Inside the app, create a virtual environment or follow the app's package management flow to keep dependencies isolated. This prevents conflicts later. Use pip or the apps GUI to install libraries like NumPy, Requests, or Flask depending on your project. Then link a cloud folder or Git repo for syncing, and choose a mobile-friendly editor or the app's built-in IDE so you can edit, run, and debug code with confidence while on the go. You finish by executing and validating your project on the phone. Run scripts through the terminal or IDE and use print statements, logging, or breakpoints to trace issues. Test network calls and file reads to ensure permissions are correct. Once satisfied, package or push changes to your Git repo and create backups. If something breaks, reinstall troublesome packages, clear the app cache, or recreate the virtual environment. Those steps resolve most errors. Finally, make sure your battery and power settings won't interrupt long runs.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.